Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, we can do about factorization by 2023 to the power of n. So that should be like this. So we have 1 over 2023, everything to the power of n. Similar for the second one. And the next one. So on until 2022 over 2023, everything to the power of n plus 1. Now, I will put this one go outside because we have the nth root. So 2023 with the power n with this one, they will be 2023 in here. Next, we have the formula. So we know that when a between form 0 and number 1, when n go to positive infinity, this one equals to number 0. That means this one, this one, this one, and so on, they will become number 0 in here. So this one we have 2023, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.